All within a 5 kilometers radius, we have top-ranking schools in all of Durham. Shopping, parks, recreation, restaurants. We've got it all.
Featuring 4 entry points to this home, we have a separate builder-finished entrance to a partially finished basement. 2 major highways that connects you from east to west, and 1 gorgeous, brand new, never lived in home that you're gonna fall in love with.
3 of my top favorites in this home: this modern kitchen with built-in appliances, a cozy family room with a fireplace, and a spacious primary bedroom with 4-piece ensuite.
I'm Kim.
And I'm Junaid with Mirage Real Estate at RE/MAX Hallmark, and we'd like to welcome you to our newest listing at 33 Mountainside in the most desirable community of rolling acres in Whitby.